Now that we've tested our gels, let's go over the tools you'll need for the Elite Contour technique. This setup is simple, but every item plays an important role in sculpting clean, professional nails. Let's start with brushes. The 4mm gel brush will help you float the gel into the dual form smoothly. It gives you control without leaving brush marks. The 9mm liner brush is for precision, perfect for spreading gel to the very edges, refining the shape, or cleaning up overflow before curing. The 4mm brush should have a soft bounce for smooth gel control. Use the 9mm liner for precision tasks, such as perfecting the cuticle zone or removing excess gel from under the nail. Let's go over the flashlight you'll need. It must be over 5 watts to properly flash cure gel inside the dual form. Make sure the flashlight has high-quality bulbs for consistent curing. Next, we'll look at the LED lamp. This is essential for strong, long-lasting nails. Look for an LED lamp with a reflective surface inside. This helps the gel cure evenly from all angles. A lamp with more high-quality bulbs ensures full coverage and better durability for your extensions. Before working on yourself or a model, always practice on a silicone finger. It lets you test your placement, pressure, and curing without the stress of doing it live. This is where your muscle memory is built. You'll need a full set of dual forms. Choose the shape you want to sculpt, almond, square, or coffin, and size each one so it fits perfectly from sidewall to sidewall. In the next lesson, we'll go over sizing and prep in detail.